what's up? We're going to be working on the C8 today. We're doing a header back exhaust or exhaust manifold back exhaust. This is actually a really cool color, cool interior. The key's pretty cool too, so shout out to whoever makes this forged carbon key cover, so that's neat. But luckily, you know, Jacob's doing everything because he's the best. And let's get it in. Alright, what was it? What? Wait, stop.
You think I was saying?
This guy, this plastic is gonna kick your can.
That's
So yeah, I can't see.
I was just like gonna keep peeling it because you got that hard side to put in, you know.
Okay, all right.
So I gave you the
Okay.
nice.
Like this is.
No, you have the wrong side.
What?
They go upward.
Oh, good things.
You gotta cut it out with an X-Acto knife.
This is a real exhaust manifold, ladies and gentlemen. Do you know why? Because it's a Corvette. The car everybody wants to hate, but then you can't because it's in front of you. The coffee hitting. That second coffee, bro.